This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in downtown Mount Prospect, looking at a Metra train that will take you downtown in about 33 minutes at rush hour. Panning around for a look at the scene here. Starbucks directly across the street, the Oberweis Dairy next door to it. Variety of shops and restaurants. And I'm headed 2 short blocks north for a walk through one of the apartments at the all-new 10 North Main. Just walked into apartment 422, a spacious 1-bedroom, and I'm looking at a very efficient, appealing kitchen. It's a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, white quartz counters, a wide undermount stainless steel sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, pendant lighting above a breakfast bar peninsula, built-in microwave and dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage, and overall really good cabinet and counter space. Turning into a living room that can accommodate a lot of furniture. Plenty of space for a dining room table if you wanted one. Full-size stacked washer dryer behind the louvered doors, and a coat closet straight ahead. It's plank flooring continuing throughout the apartment. Plantation shutters. It's a great sized room. Window would be a great spot to place a home office desk. Turning into the bedroom, plenty of space for any size bedding, nightstands, additional furniture, and also space for a home office desk. Bedroom opens into a closet leading to the bathroom. It's a walk-in with hanging and shelving on both sides. And the bath has attractive finishes. Walk-in shower with a glass door, white tile, blonde plank flooring continuing here also. And then a wide vanity with an undermount sink under the quartz counter, and strip lighting framing the mirror. Tandem entry out to the living dining area. 10 North Main has a convenient location, an attractive suite of amenities. It's pet friendly, and it warrants a spot on your must-see list when you're looking for something new and stylish in Chicago's northwest suburbs. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.